As a cancer care provider, it's really important to us to consistently provide outstanding care. What Radar Healthcare has enabled us to do is to keep an eye on our complex systems and our cutting-edge treatments to ensure that they're consistently safe, consistently outstanding every time we deliver it.
It just produces information in a really sort of easily digestible way. It provides a really nice snapshot of how we're doing in various different areas of the company. I love the graphs. The analytics part of the Radar is my favourite bit so far. Yeah, absolutely.
My name's Mark Rose. I'm the National Clinical Quality Manager for GenesisCare UK. We provide the ancillary care, which is radiotherapy, chemotherapy, diagnostic services, exercise medicine. We also provide routes in for clinical trials. We operate a network of 14 clinics up and down the country, all of which are self-contained units, and they vary for the services that they provide. Incident reporting provides us with the largest amount of staff feedback that we get. It tells us an awful lot about the health of our business, safety of the services that we provide, and enables us to drive the culture towards open, honesty, objective, focused incident reporting.
The internal audits that we use are heavily based clinically on our teams, assessing for patient safety, any updates that we may need to change in terms of treatment processes or practices that we have. One of the main things we're trying to ensure is that we are improving each time we do roll the audits out.
Radar Healthcare has enabled us to build more bespoke, accurate and detailed incident reporting forms than ever before. There is a result from a particular incident, but also that we can identify what is the root cause of an incident as well. So it's really enabled us to enhance our statutory reporting for things like drug reactions. Similarly with our equipment, because we use such complex pieces of radiotherapy equipment, it's important for us to understand failures of that equipment so we can make all of that more reliable. What Radar Healthcare incident reporting has enabled us to do is to implement very quickly the United Kingdom Health Security Agency safe radiotherapy taxonomy within our system. What this enables us to do is to understand in great detail the level of risk and complexity at every stage of the process of radiotherapy services. Ultimately, it enables us to understand what the root cause of any incidents are, as well as the outcomes for incidents. GenesisCare operates to an ISO 9001 quality assurance system, so we look for compliance at every single stage. Compliance doesn't have to be when things just go wrong. Compliance can also be when things go better than expected. What we want to do is capture the information about why things go better to move everything forward across the whole of our services.
The usability is really, really nice. Night and day compared to previous systems that we've used. The ability to roll it out to multiple different staff groups.
When you get the design of the form right within Radar Healthcare, it means with the user interface, the staff can follow that logic all the way through. Because that logic's built in there, it means it's much more efficient for it to be completed and capture the right levels of detail that we need to see at the other end.
The ability to sort of pull together loads of different insights from different sort of areas of the business into one central hub is really useful for those slightly larger business continuity improvement plans that we want to make in the quality space. When we're pulling reports for the Safety, Quality and Leadership forums that we have each month, and also for the senior leadership team and the board packs and things like that, having a really easy to understand graph just makes everything a lot easier in general. Creating a robust training package for your staff means that the staff are able to hit the ground running, making sure that you have regular updates to any of the systems and making sure that you're adhering to any changes to regulatory compliance as well. The relationship with the support team that Radar Healthcare provide can really help just push any changes that you want to make. The support team are really helpful and really responsive. Having that support behind the scenes enables us to sort of push the boundaries more about what we want to change and what we want to achieve.
Feedback that we've had from our staff is that we've got an incident reporting and quality management system that really works for them. By understanding our complex systems a lot better, it means that we can provide more outstanding practice.
There's more reassurance, not for just us in the quality team, but also for the staff who are delivering those clinical treatments to patients. They also feel more in tune with the improvements that we're trying to implement as well, improving the patient outcomes.